Hi, my name is Robert Coyle and I'm the Head of User Experience and Design at Creme Global. When building our platform or data science products for our customers, user experience design is a process we use to understand better our users' needs and to ultimately build products that are easier to use, closer to the actual jobs the customer is trying to achieve, and generally to create products that are better quality. So if you've ever used a piece of software where you found the experience to be particularly good, where you remembered it, maybe it was setting up a profile on Airbnb, it's probably come in contact with a user experience designer. User experience design at a more practical level, and this is the real, Wikipedia definition, is the process of research, gathering information, prototyping your design, going out and testing it with users, testing it in the world, and then using that information to go back and redesign. It's kind of like evolution sped up. And so this iterative process is design. When you hear the phrase design thinking, that's generally what they mean. Another kind of extra secret benefit of user experience design in an organization like Creme Global is that it becomes almost a shared language throughout the company, because not every team understands data science, or not every team understands software development, but everybody understands workflows, everybody understands mock-ups and prototypes, and so it does become the hub of understanding for the company. So one difference we have at Creme Global in design compared to maybe other organizations is that we actually do happen to have the user of our products here on the team. We have domain specialists. We also have a large team of data scientists, which is incredibly valuable for me building data science tools. Sometimes when I have a question that I can't find an answer to around some minutiae of data science, I don't have to try and set up a meeting with a client. I can just cross the room and speak immediately to a data scientist, and they can explain to me whatever it is that's inhibiting me from going from one point to the other with my design. And this really, really speeds up how we deliver products. Where our customers really come in contact with design is through the design workshop, and the design workshop really is the temple for a designer. In the design workshop, we bring together all the disciplines from product management, the customer of course, data science, developers, front end and back end, and we all work on the problems, we all look at the requirements. As a designer, the real core of the role is as a facilitator, so you bring the questions of the day, you bring any required mock-ups or prototypes to discuss, and then we all together antagonize the requirements and try and improve upon them. And so a real result from a design workshop is to have an assumption going in and to have changed your assumption going out. Customers are often surprised by the output of a design workshop. They are surprised to see requirements which seemed very stable initially to change once they're really interrogated by the different people in the room. So they see it as a very, very valuable process for improving the quality of the product they get.